What's up guys, fresh haircut. Just heading down to see what Aaron got done with the 300 today. It's getting painted tonight, so let's head down there and have a look. So Johnny boy is here already. Look at this thing, it's actually a gorgeous little car. So down here with Aaron again, and everything is done, all wet sanded down. He's after schultzing the bottom of the car, this side and that side. He has the bumpers ready, and this bumper is Schultz on the bottom. Schultz, is it? Schultz? Stone chipped, Schultz, whatever, it's all the same. Hide the ugliness of the car, but yeah, the car. So he's just masking everything up again, pain in the arse, but just gonna whack it over now and get it ready for paint. So one eternity later, car is masked off. Yeah, it is. All the wheels, no, petrol cap and hubs need to be masked off because the paint. Could have left the calipers on and we just paint them red, would have been handy. But the car is just about ready for paint, so we're just going to mask up all these bits and pieces underneath and then we're good to go. More forgotten pieces, sanded, prepped, ready to rock and roll. You know, wheels tucked away so they don't get overspray on them. Aaron's just wetting the floor. All the hubs and the coilovers covered up with some popper. And we are ready to rock and roll. So I just degreased the whole car, the petrol cap, the nose plate, and then the two bumpers. So I'm just going to get a fresh rag and go over it again. And yep, that hurt, burst my finger with opening that goddamn thing. That really hurt, but first casualty. Hopefully it's the only one. So let's get this wiped down again. So Aaron's just tack ragging the car before it gets painted. Obviously he just takes all the fine dust off the bodywork. So he's over there doing that. I'm just going to open another fresh one for him. So he keeps telling me it's going red, but I've actually no idea what colour the car's going because he hasn't mixed the paint yet. So we shall see. Because he's a liar. So paint is in the gun. I'm going to head inside because Aaron doesn't want any dust around just because he wants a really good paint job. So it's not like painting the little cars in the garage. He really wants to do this one really good and he doesn't want any dust going in it. So this door gets closed. So you can see he's just setting up the gun and he's tack ragging and blowing off any of the dust on the back of the car. It's very fascinating to watch. Like I've tried with the Mini to paint bits and pieces, but didn't work out properly. So Aaron's been painting for years and he knows what he's doing, so I think he's putting some red on now. There you go. So yeah, I can't wait to see this car finished. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Really do appreciate you watching. I will show the 300ZX fully painted at the end of this video. Don't worry, you didn't watch the video for nothing. Anyone that does watch the videos, I do appreciate it. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, smash the like button, comment, and share with your friends, share the channel. Let's try reach that 5k sub goal. It's been going down lately. I think YouTube is building off old YouTube subscribers that have been subscribed for a long time and just are vacant on their channel. So I don't know what way it works. It's just going up and down, up and down. I don't seem to be getting anywhere. But yeah, I do appreciate anyone that is watching. So make sure you be dedicated to all your builds, and make sure you subscribe. Really does help the channel. So peace out and be dedicated.